In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Telegram. Telegram does not have a setting to manually change your account's country. Instead, your account's country is determined by the phone number linked to it. This is essential to understand because it means that if you've moved to a new country, you will need to update your phone number in Telegram to reflect this change. This ensures that your account remains secure and connected to the correct region. Now let's get started with the steps to change your phone number. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You will see the familiar interface with chats listed on the main screen. This is where all your conversations live. Opening the app is the first step toward making any changes to your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are new to Telegram. You can find various options at the bottom of the screen, including chats, calls, and settings. Once you're in, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, go to the Settings menu. To do this, look for the gear icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on this icon will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your account. This is important as the Settings menu is your control center for Telegram. It allows you to customize your experience and ensures that you have access to all your account features. Once you are in settings, you can move on to the next action. Now tap on your phone number. This option usually appears at the top of the settings page. Selecting your phone number will open up the interface for changing it. This step is crucial as it allows you to initiate the process of updating your contact information. By tapping on your phone number, you are taking the first action toward ensuring your account reflects your new country. After tapping, you will see the option to change your number. From there, select the Change Number option. This is where you will begin the actual process of updating your phone number. Upon selecting this, you might see a brief message explaining what changing your number entails. This is an important step because it sets the foundation for transferring your account's information to the new number. You should feel confident knowing that your data will be safely migrated to the new number. After this, you are ready to enter your new phone number. Next, enter your new phone number, including the new country's dialing code. It is essential to include the correct dialing code for your new country. This ensures that your phone number is recognized correctly by Telegram. If you are unsure of the dialing code, you can easily find it online. Entering this information accurately is vital for a smooth transition. Once you have entered your new number, you can proceed to verify it. Now, verify the new number using the code that Telegram sends you. After entering your number, Telegram will send a verification code to that number via SMS. This code is crucial for confirming that you have access to the new phone number. Simply check your messages for the code and enter it into the app. This step is significant because it guarantees that no one else can change your account without your consent. Once you enter the code, you will see a confirmation message. When you change your phone number, it's important to note that your chats, contacts, groups, channels, and settings will be transferred to the new number. This means you won't lose any important information during the transition. Having everything intact is especially reassuring as you continue using Telegram seamlessly. Lastly, you must have access to your current Telegram number to complete the change safely. This access is necessary to receive the verification code. If you do not have access to the old number, you may face challenges in completing this process. However, as long as you follow these steps carefully, you will successfully change your country by updating your phone number in Telegram. Thank you for watching.